Hi everybody, I'm finally back. It's Dion from the Stitcher's Muse. I know it's been a long time since I've done a live sale, but welcome. We have some really great new goodies to show you today. We've gotten quite a few shipments in. I think I've got everything, but I'm not entirely sure. We're doing our best to upload to the website as quickly as possible. So hopefully you'll find something today that you will like. I'm going to start off with the new Mill Hill Buttons and Beads kits. Sorry, I'm still having some trouble with coughing after my little bout with COVID about 3 weeks ago. It's been the last couple of months have been interesting. Love this one, Highland Cow, and these are $27 each, and they are complete kits. And then we have the Butcher Shop. It's one of the Main Street Village kits. These are all $27. And we have Peony. This one's quite lovely. And we have Bunny Garden. And yes, there is a bunny right there. Isn't it cute? Love that one. And Fairy House. Of course, you know me and my fairies and fantasy, so really sweet little cottage there as well. And the sixth one in that series is called Waterfall. Very tranquil. And I think I have some duplicates here, so I'm going to get those out of the way. And then the new Spring Bouquet is out as well. Now, we ordered these like back in November. They finally came in. Yay! Mason jar, and these are the spring bouquets are how much each? $16.25. So mason jar and a peacock butterfly and folk art. Really like this one. Just has a lot of flow to it. And an old-fashioned for those of you who love cocktails. And then we have Positively Love. And last but not least, Vintage Clock. And we've also gotten new things in from SJ Designs, and one of the things that came in, we've got some beautiful cocktail mix beads, which I'll show you in a minute, but we also got this design in, which I think is absolutely stunning. It's beautiful, and it is called Heart of the Needle, and the price for the pattern on its own is $31, and the bead pack is $17. Then we have some new It's So Emma as well. We have tulips for $15.25, and that's just the chart. We have Hometown Neighborhood Birdhouse. Turn that so I like to put things at an angle. That doesn't, there we go, now you can see it. And it says, hope is the thing with feathers that perches in the soul and sings the tune without the words and never stops at all. It's by Emily Dickinson, and it's $27 for the chart. And then we have this Alessandra Adelaide, which I think is absolutely stunning. I could just see the fun in stitching this, can't you? Love it. $27.95 for the chart. And then we have this, I couldn't resist this. I just thought it was so pretty. Of course, I love pastel colors. This is a Riolis kit, and it's just called Panel or Cushion Town, so you can turn this into a cushion. So it's got the woolen acrylic blend threads to stitch it with. I just thought it was really pretty. So that's it for that part. Oh, I forgot to mention the price on that one is $128.75 for the cushion cover. And now we got beads and charms. We got in some cocktail mixes. Some of these are older ones that we've had in before, but I love showing them. These are some of my favorite things to play with when you're doing something fun and you need a bunch of beads that are sort of themed together. These are really great for that. So this is called Ouzo. And Crème de Violette. And this one is Slow Gin Fizz. And this one is called Mint Julep. It's not very focused, is it? What if happens if I hide my face? Will it focus on it? Not very well. They are really quite lovely. We should have some good pictures online for these. This one is called Dark and Stormy. And this one's one of my favorites. It's Pale Ale. Not that I like beer, but I do like those colors. We have Plum Wine. And Long Island Iced Tea. And Champagne. Another really pretty mix there. I'm just going to put those back in the box. And the cocktail mixes are how much, Karen? Do you remember? $5.75 for the little package. Oh, you know the other thing I could show is all those trims we got from SJ. If you have a chance to grab those. So these are charms, and I'm going to hold out sort of the front of them. So some of these come in several different finishes. They, excuse me, come in antique gold. They come in brass, which is quite a bright finish, and they come in antique gold and in silver. So most of them we have all three colors available. So this is a sweet little butterfly. Hopefully you can see that. No, they just are not showing up very well. I do apologize for that. You see the little butterfly there? Let's see what happens if I... I am so sorry. If I tip it downwards so the light doesn't reflect on the plastic. Yeah, they're not showing very well, but I'm going to show them to you anyway. I'll go through them fairly quickly. And this, oh, sorry. The butterflies are $1.25 each. And then this is a watering can. And of course, it only shows the back because of the way that it's packaged. They are $3.25 each. Thank you. That's great, thanks. And this is a filigree, and it's $2.15. And we just have the watering can and that one are just in the finishes that I'm showing you. These are little hearts. They are $2.75. See if I can separate one out for you so it shows a little. Oh no, they're not. I lied. They're not hearts. They're dogwoods. There you go. And those are $2.75 each. And we have some sunflowers. And again, they're not showing very well because they are backwards. Hopefully you can at least get an idea of them. And those are $2.50. And this is little open stars. And they are $1.15. And we have larger open stars. These we brought in because they go with the Stony Creek Believe charts. These are $1.15 as well. And then we have filled in stars. And these are in all three finishes. And they are 60 cents each. And little tiny stars, those are not going to show very well either, are they? There, you can see that one. And those are 50 cents each. These are really, really, really shiny, and they're little teddy bears. They're sort of three-dimensional. And they are $6.75 each. Oh, and these are gorgeous. These are enameled, and they are starfish. No, sea stars is the proper way to refer to them. And they have a beautiful turquoisey inside to them, and they are $6.75. And we also have pink ones. And then we have seahorses. We have them in the antique silver and in the antique gold. These ones I can show you and you can get a better idea of the finishes. So they are $3.25 each. So that's the silver. That's the antique gold. And this is the regular gold or the brass finish. What do we call that? Brass finish, yep. Okay, and we also have bats, also in the 3 finishes. They are $4.50 each. And in the gold, and in the antique silver. I'm sorry. I really thought these would show up better. My apologies. Hopefully you can get a feel for them. We have scissors for those of you who are scissor happy. We have that available in the 3 finishes as well for 90 cents each. And we have frogs in all 3 finishes as well. That one can show you hopefully what they look like. They're 3-dimensional too. And they are $1.75 each. And then we have beehives. See if I can manipulate one of these so it's separate from the rest so you can see them. We just have these in the antique brass finish or antique gold finish. They have 2 little bees on them. They're slightly 3-dimensional, like the bees stand up, but they're relatively flat. 80 cents each. And we have seagulls. I'm trying to separate it out here. There we go, in antique silver. And they are $4.30 each. And we have hummingbirds. And these are all backwards as well, but you'll get an idea of the shape there, hopefully. If you need closer looks at any of these, I'm quite happy to photograph them and send it off to you and tell you the dimensions as well. $1.25 for the hummers. And these are some bright gold hummingbirds. They have a really, really shiny finish. It's a new finish for By Jupiter. These are all By Jupiter charms. So, I think that's really pretty as well. $6.75 each for those. And then we have some enameled bees. And they are $6.75 as well. And we have silver snowflakes. And some of these we can get in other finishes. If we have them in one finish, then if you ask, we can order them in the other finish. These ones are not going to play nice either. So I'm going to take one out. Probably should have done that with all of them, but I'm quite happy to do that. Just let me know. Hi Charlotte. Hi Rosemary. Rosemary, you are traveling again. World traveler. $1.25 each for the snowflakes. And what have we got here? These are all so much fun. These are little hearts that look, they look a little bit 3-dimensional, but they're quite flat, and they are $3.25 each. Are these the hearts? It seems like quite a bit. We can double check on that price. It's listed at $3.25. And then we have $6.75, more of those really, really shiny ones. These are really, really shiny beads. So the gold tone finish, they are quite a bit more expensive generally. So there you go. You can see that little bead there. And they are $6.75 each. And $2.50 for some antique gold hummingbirds. Let me see if I can separate one out for you. They want to stick together. There you go. I'm sorry that that camera is not focusing up close. Sometimes it does it and sometimes it doesn't. And this is a little, really cute little sand bucket and shovel. Yeah, there you go. And those are $1.25 each. And this, the last ones of the series, these are bells. I'll show you the antique silver ones. And they're fairly three-dimensional, you can see there. And they are $1.75 each. And that's it for me today. I thought I had loads and loads more, but I think a lot of stuff that came in was special orders for customers, so they will be on hold. Do keep an eye out. We've got more shipments coming in all the time at the moment. We've got several that are on their way that should get here any day. And yeah, if there's anything you see that you like, just please do let us know. Remember to like the video. And I will be uploading this to YouTube probably a little bit later on today. So for those of you who prefer to watch on YouTube, we should be there shortly. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.